everybody, thanks for joining. It's Steph here from Kids Food Basket.
And I'm Christina.
We're excited to show you what is in our Grow at Home garden kit and what supplies you might need.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is a bean seed for our seed dissection. In our Grow at Home garden kits, we've provided pinto beans, but any bean seed will work.
Cool.
The second experiment you'll get to do is the Germination Station. For that, you're going to need a Ziploc plastic baggie, 3 cotton balls, and seeds of 3 different sizes. We use bean seeds for our large seeds, beet seeds for our medium seeds, and radish seeds for our small seeds. In this experiment, you'll be comparing and contrasting seed size and their germination rates.
Cool, and that means how fast they grow, right?
Yeah,
Neat.
For our third experiment, we're going to do one with corn shoots. For that, you're going to need about 10 corn seeds and 3 black plastic cups.
Why black cups, Christina?
Because we're going to grow one in the light and the second in the dark by covering it up.
Neat. Can't wait.
Finally, the last thing is a couple of things to get your own garden started. So for our kits, we've provided bean seeds and cucumber seeds and 2 red plastic cups to plant them in.
Very cool. What happens when they outgrow our cups?
Well, you're going to want to transplant them into larger pots or right into the ground.
Very cool. Thanks for joining us today.